Also a must-have. This is like the thing that's going to work with like everything. It's gonna be a great, like you can hook this on to like your backpack if you need be. So what is so great about it is you have this bit right here that works for like flat surfaces or uneven surfaces, and you can tighten it down and clamp it together, right? And then you have the magic arm here so you can adjust it how you need to, and then you put your GoPro up there. And it is strong. When you tighten it down, it is absolutely strong. But the other part to it is, so if you had like a pole and you leave this part open, so like that, and then you can see that the pole design will go there. So it doesn't have to be like exactly right in that pole. It could be like a pole about that size or even bigger, and you just get it around it just a little bit, and then you can tighten it. And because it's got like the grip that you see here, it will tighten around and also won't destroy it. So that is a great grippy thing. I've used some other clamps and loved those clamps before, but this, because of that, being able to use it with flat surfaces and pulls, that wins it for me.